Ever wonder what it's like to be a salesperson? There are actually two main types, inside sales and outside sales. Let's explore them. What is inside sales? Imagine a friendly telesalesperson, but with a whole toolbox of digital tools. Inside sales reps are like remote closers. They use phones, emails, and video chats to connect with customers, often working from an office or even home. An inside salesperson might have a daily quota of calls to make or meetings to schedule. They reach out to many potential customers to generate leads and close deals. Inside sales is a great fit for industries with readily available information online, where customers can be reached remotely. Think tech startups, software companies, or even certain financial services. Let's get into outside sales. Outside sales reps are like globe-trotting ambassadors for their companies. They travel to meet customers face-to-face, building relationships and understanding their needs in person. Think conferences, trade shows, and client visits. Outside salespeople focus on building strong connections with a smaller group of clients, often working on larger, more complex deals. They might be selling high-value equipment, customized services, or products that require in-person demonstrations. Outside sales thrives in industries where building trust and understanding complex needs is crucial. This could be manufacturing, engineering, or even medical equipment sales. Inside sales can be a cost-effective way to reach a large number of potential customers, while outside sales can be more effective for building relationships and closing larger deals. So, there you have it. Remember, the ideal sales approach depends on your specific product, customer base, and budget. Follow this space for more sales and marketing insights.